Welcome to this instructional video on selecting, installing, and upgrading a processor. We'll guide you through the essential steps to ensure compatibility, optimal performance, and safe handling during the process. When selecting a processor, it's crucial to check compatibility with your motherboard's socket and chipset. Consider your performance needs, balancing cores and clock speed, while keeping your budget in mind for the best value. Before installing a processor, ensure your computer is turned off and unplugged. Wear an anti-static wristband, clear your work area, and carefully place the processor in the socket without applying pressure. Secure the processor by gently closing the latch and apply thermal paste if needed. Install the cooling fan as per the manufacturer's instructions to prevent overheating and ensure efficient operation. Upgrading a processor involves checking system requirements and updating BIOS/UEFI if necessary. After installation, power on the computer and use monitoring software to ensure stable temperatures and performance. Thank you for watching. In conclusion, selecting, installing, and upgrading a processor can enhance system performance significantly when done correctly. Following proper procedures helps avoid hardware issues and ensures the processor operates efficiently. Thank you for watching.